We are in Salt Lake today. We had some errands to run. We always catch breakfast at our favorite breakfast joint over the counter. And we're gonna hit up all the thrift stores up here because there's about 10 that we don't hit on a regular basis.
We're going to Savers first. This one has good stuff, but is typically a little bit expensive, so we'll see what we find.
They got all their art organized here. That's not a winner.
It's $6 and I don't like the frame.
Yeah, it would need a new frame. That is just a giant ruler that has fake leather on the top that doesn't open. What would you use that for?
We can almost always find something on the bag wall, but all these bags were starting at about $6, and the stuff just really wasn't that fantabulous, so we didn't buy anything. So yes or no? Like, it's a giant brass.
I say yes.
I feel like you could put like wood in it.
Yeah, kindling next to the fireplace. Do that.
Let's fold flat.
Oh, that's nice.
I actually kind of like that look better.
The flat look?
Yeah, I'm putting it in here.
It's going in my cart.
I don't know why.
Because yours is full?
It was close, I don't know.
They got a lot of good baskets.
But yeah, they're all expensive. That one's only this one's only $6, so.
One of my favorite things at the thrift store is to try to find something that has a base or a top and match them together, because a lot of times you'll find a base and a top missing pieces, and if you match them up, you get a whole set. Oh, it's one of those deals.
Little tiny wreath, $6.50. That's a no.
It's too much. We saw quite a bit of decor today that we would have normally purchased, but some of these prices were just higher than we're willing to pay on your average home decor that needs a little bit of work. If it had been an amazing piece, sometimes I'll pop for that price, but not on this stuff.
I was thinking for the house, it's $5, but...
Is it a pitcher or is it a gravy boat?
At our house, it's a gravy boat.
Look at the thick glass on the bottom. It's a good design, and I think that's Anchor Hawking, isn't it?
It is. I think I'm gonna keep it, because ours has like a chip in the front. It's not quite this big.
No.
There's also this one. Oh, that's...
Is that plastic?
I'm gonna get this one for the house.
All right. This is actually really cool because it fits in the microwave. $6.49 though.
I kind of like that though. But I feel like for gravy, you think too much would pour out.
I don't know. All right, so big spender here. We decided only to get this after all that shopping because everything was like $6. This was $6, and that's perfect.
I'll sell this for $60, and we were literally right here eating, so it's not like we had to drive very far.
Store number 2, the other side Thrift Boutique. Oh, they fancy. Look at that. This is why they call it a thrift boutique.
Bougie.
Oh, ouch. They got 2 of them, but they're $10. This little house is cool, but I wasn't a buyer at $15 for it. Oh, you found some stuff. How much is that?
$6, but it comes with 3 of the fake candles.
The light up ones?
And the bucket. So I think I can make it better.
Oh man, they even got fake bread. $1 for the fake bread?
This is it. I think it's like one thing per store today.
Well, I love their furniture, but literally, when I say this, we have enough furniture at the shop. Probably 15 to 20 large pieces. Oh, this is $6. It's like a bread box. Oh man, I'm getting this. I like this a lot.
We found this really cool steamer trunk, probably the absolute coolest steamer trunk we've ever seen in the wild, but they wanted $200 for it. So even though it had all of its accessories and everything, we just had to pass because there wasn't enough profit in it for us. Thrift store number 3. Hopefully this one is better.
Is that a trophy? You know, that's kind of a cool one though. What's it for, roping?
Pony Express 2000.
Chess tournament. Looks like Jamie may have found some collectibles. Oh.
The color's good and it's only 10 bucks.
Thrift store number 4. It's another The Other Side thrift boutique. And they've got great window displays here. How are we looking? You finding anything?
Yeah.
What's this?
Just found a McCoy bowl.
Nice. Just say no to the grapes. Pretty much if it has grapes on it, we do not get it. 2 and 2. Those are a fun little matching set. I think we can do that. Thrift store number 4 going in.
Zeb says this is the last one, but I don't know.
We have 4 or 5 more we could hit on the way home, but we'll see. $9.50.
I saw the S2. I almost picked it up and I put it back. Zeb's picking up all the things that I left. I picked up this, I put it back. But I'm glad you got it because it just needs a new paint job on the frame.
Well, I got a bunch all the way back in here. I got to really dig for them.
Oh yeah, you're like sitting on the floor here.
So we weren't feeling like we had done very well today. We've been to 5 thrift stores now, but we pretty much filled up the back of our SUV, and I don't know, we probably spent about $100.
Yeah, it was a good day. Thanks for coming along with us thrifting today. It took us a while to get there, but I think between this and what I already have left over from last week, we're ready for the week, which is great because it's Thanksgiving, and so we just wanted to be able to check this off our list.
So one of the things I think was happening is we had an errand to run, and then we actually went to like brunch before we went thrifting. And so we weren't getting to the thrift stores until they had been open for a while. Usually when we get our really great big hauls, we're first or second in line and we're busting it to the back of the decor aisles and getting things really quickly first thing in the morning. So keep that in mind when you're thrifting. We still got some really good stuff, but sometimes we can just hit up one store and get the same stuff.
Thanks for thrifting with us. If you want to shop along, visit JamiRayVintage.com. Click Saturday Thrift Haul. This will all go live this Saturday at 8:30 Mountain Time, and we will see you then for our thrift haul.